next example, example 3. Compute the fourth root of 12 correct to 3 decimal places. We have to find the root for the fourth root of 12 correct to 3 decimal places. Solution: let x is equal to fourth root of 12. Fourth root of 12, it can be written as x is equal to, here we have to write x is equal to square root for fourth root of 12, which can also be written as x raised to 4 is equal to 12, or x raised to 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. Just raising the power here, we get x raised to 4 is equal to 12, or x raised to 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. Next we have to find the value of a and b. We know that how to find the value of a and b from previous two problems. Taking f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 12, we have f of 0 is equal to minus 12, which is less than 0. F of 1 is equal to minus 11, which is less than 0. F of 2 is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. 1 and 2 are two consecutive numbers, and one value is negative, another value is positive. Therefore, it will be the value of f of a, and this will be value of f of b. Therefore, f of a is equal to minus 7. A value is 1. F of b is equal to 4, and b value is 2. Therefore, our real root lies in between 1 and 2. After that, see which value is nearer to 0 in the number line. This is minus 11, which is 4. As compared to minus 11, 4 is near to 0 in the number line. Therefore, our root is the neighborhood of 2. Therefore, our root is lies in the neighborhood of the 2. Therefore, again we have to find the value of a and b for the further calculation. Therefore, now f of 1.7 is equal to minus 3.6479, and f of 1.8 is equal to minus 1.5024, which is less than 0. Again, f of 1.9 is equal to plus value 1.0321, which is greater than 0. To find the value of a and b, start with 1.1, 1.2, start. It is 1. Value of f of 1 is minus 11. Go to next value, that is 1.1. Next 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, like that. All the values are negative there up to 1.8. F of 1.8 is negative value. After that, f of 1.8 value is positive value. F of 1.8 and 1.9 are two consecutive values, and these values are considered here. F of 1.8 is equal to negative value, which is less than 0. Therefore, it is the value of f of a, and a value is 1.8, and f of b value is positive value, which is greater than 0. Therefore, a b value is 1.8. F of 1.8 is equal to 1.0321. Again, then our real root lies in the points 1.8, 1.9. The roots lies in the neighborhood of 2, lies in 1.8, 1.9. Next, to go to the steps. First step, these are the value of a and b, and f of a and f of b. Just substitute the value and calculate. We get x1 is equal to 1.8593. And next step, find what is the value of f of x1. X1 value is 1.8593. F of 1.8593 is minus 0.0592, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means it is f of a value. Therefore, a value is 1.8593. B value as it is, it is 1.9. Therefore, a value is 1.8593, and f of a value is minus 0.0592. B value is f of b value is 1.0321. B value is 1.8. Again substitute these values in the formula, that is equation 1, and we get the value of x2 is 1.8612. 1.8612. Here we have to find root up to 3 decimal places. See here, up to 3 decimal places. Value of x1 is 1.8593. Value of x2 is 1.8612. These two are not same. Therefore, go through the next step, that is third step. f of x2. Before going to the formula, find f of x2. x2 value is 1.8692. Therefore, f of 1.8612 is equal to minus 0.00025, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means it is f of a value. A value is 1.8612. F of a value is minus 0.00025. Consider these values. Again, substitute these values in the equation 1. That is the formula. We get x3 is equal to 1.8612. See, up to 3 decimal places. 1.861, 1.861, 1.861. These two values are same. Therefore, our real root is 1.861. Thus, the required fourth root of 12 correct to 3 decimal places is 1.861. Next example, find the real root of the equation cos x is equal to 3x minus 1 correct to 3 decimal places. Solution, f of x is equal to cos x plus 1 minus 3. Rearrange this equation. When we rearrange this equation, we get here given equation is cos x is equal to 3x minus 1. Rearrange these values, we get cos x minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get f of x is equal to cos x plus 1 minus 3x. In radians, convert this to radians or find the values of x or cos x. Consider in the calculator, we have to consider the radian. In radians, f of 0 is equal to 2, which is greater than 0. F of 1 is equal to minus 1.46, which is greater than less than 0. F of 0 is 0 and 1 are two consecutive values, and one value should be positive, one value should be negative. F of 0 will give the positive value, f of 1 is negative value. Therefore, f of a value is minus 1.46, f of b value is 2. Therefore, a value is 1, b value is 0. Sorry, a value is, b value is 1, a value is 0. The real root lies in 0, 1, and we have accept the root in the neighborhood of 1 because 2 is as compared to minus 1.46, 2 is farther to 0 as compared to 1 minus 1.46. Therefore, our real root lies in the neighborhood of the 1. Therefore, we have to find another values of a and b. For that, go to f of 0 value is 2. Therefore, go to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 up to 0.6 we will get the negative values, and that is f of 0.6 value is minus 0.0253, which is less than 0, and f of 0.7 value is 0.3352, which is here it is positive value and this one is negative value. Therefore, it is greater than 0. This is greater than 0 and this one is less than 0. Substitute the values, we get x1 is equal to 0.607 on substitution and simplification. And second iteration, find what is the value of f of x1. F of x1 value is 0.00036, which is greater than 0. Consider these values for this is positive, and consider the values and find. We get x2 value is equal to 0.607, x1 value is 0.607 and x2 value is 0.607. Therefore, hence the real root correct to 3 decimal places is 0.607. Also observe here b value is negative, f of b value is negative and f of a value is positive. Consider same this one here for this problem. see here f of 0 is 2, which is greater than 0. F of 1 is equal to minus 1.46. 0 and 1 are two consecutive values. First we get smaller value is greater than 0, therefore it will be value of a, and for bigger value f of 1 is equal to minus 1.46, therefore it is negative value, and 0 1 is greater than 1. Consider this one as the value of f of b. This is f of a and this is f of b. Here f of b value is less than 0 and f of a value is greater than 0. Consider this 0 as the value of a and 1 as the value of b.